Weather vocabulary and dialogues. Weather conditions: sunny, snowy, hot, cloudy, windy, cold, stormy, humid, rainy, foggy, clear, hazy, dry, drizzly, wet, partly cloudy, icy, cool. Weather phenomena: hurricane, tornado, sandstorm, blizzard, drought, flood, avalanche, tsunami, thunderstorm, heat wave, lightning, thunder, rainbow, dust storm, hail, fire whirl, heavy snow, hailstorm. Seasons and temperature: summer, winter, spring, autumn or fall, hot, cold, warm, cool. Temperature: freezing, mild, scorching, chilly. Degrees: seasonal, brisk, damp, severe. Common phrases: it's raining, it's sunny today, it's very cold. What's the weather like today? It might rain tomorrow. The weather is nice. It's very hot today. It's going to snow. The wind is strong. Weather dialogues: how is the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Will it rain tomorrow? Yes, the forecast indicates rainfall. What's the temperature today? It's 30 degrees Celsius. It's raining heavily. Yes, don't forget your umbrella. Which season do you prefer? I prefer spring. The weather is moderate. Do you use a weather app? Yes, I check it every morning.